Dearly beloved, we've come together into the house of the church so that in the presence of the church's minister and the community, your intention to enter in a marriage may be strengthened by the Lord today with a sacred seal. Christ abundantly blesses the love that binds you. Through a special sacrament, he enriches and strengthens those he has already consecrated by holy baptism, that they may be faithful to each other forever and assume all the responsibilities of married life.
My love, you shine so bright. You shine so bright.
Drew and Brittany, have you come here to enter into marriage today without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly?
Yes.
Are you prepared as you follow the path of marriage to love and honor each other for as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Are you prepared to accept children lovingly from God and to bring them up according to the law of Christ and his church?
You shine brighter than the stars in the sky. I am yours and I know you are mine.
Drew, do you take Brittany to be your wife, to promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Brittany, do you take Drew to be your husband, to promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
Mr. and Mrs. Andrew and Brittany Rubenthal.
You shine so bright.